But what about the marketers that are using that new shiny marketing tool that helps you write copy and you send all of your like positioning documents to that SaaS tool and that is using generative AI on the background? Like, does that count? From a governance perspective, now there's these third party SaaS tools that are using AI. And how do you qualify them too?
Yeah, I mean, that's a great point, a whole other Pandora's box if, that needs to be, yeah, categorized and classified as well. Yeah, we're, like, focusing on purely just the code, but, I mean, the example that you highlighted is exactly what we're, hearing and seeing. It's already, out of the box. It's everywhere, and it's only going to, keep showing up everywhere. Not only, I mean, from a development perspective, everybody is using some form of code gen tools at this point, and then the actual models themselves. I think we kind of anticipate like in 3 to 5 years, it'll pretty much be any service will have some component of generative development. So
Mm.
yeah, just keeping track of everywhere it's being used. I think that's the important perspective, having some kind of a framework there, and yeah, treating it like any other application or service. Like it's a low bar, but um it's important. And I think it's you see these like kind of very like diverging paths in development. Like it almost feels like in many ways like the larger enterprise organizations I talk to are speaking like a different language of AI than the startups of the world, or the anything coming out of Y Combinator. Like it's truly like two completely different pathways, two different focuses, and two different like concerns, um, that I feel like often get blended together. And people are looking for AI tools, ways to improve their AI developing experience. But yeah, it's just there's two very different kind of pathways emerging, that do require kind of two different sets of solutions, and those solutions are ultimately serving like an AI purpose. But it's very different than I think the MLOps landscape of 5 years ago, where I think everybody was more or less kind of like on the same page to a degree. But
All
yeah,
suffering together in trying to get those damn Jupyter notebooks into production.
yeah, which is still a problem actually.